Yan talaga. Sulit eh.
Morning comes slow on the mountain trail. Sky still quiet, stars still pale. Breathing deep, tying my shoes, another climb. Nothing in view. First step taken before the sun. Cold air says the day's begun. Dew on leaves, earth so still. Every silence starts to heal. Backpack light, heart feels strong. No rush here, I take it long. Every stone beneath my feet feels like home, feels complete. No traffic sound, no buzzing phone, just me and the path I walk alone. If peace had a shape and view, it'll look like this morning view. Morning on the mountain high, watching darkness say goodbye. Every breath a brand new start. Nature speaks straight to my heart. Morning on the mountain wide, sunrise moving side by side. If I get lost, I don't mind. I'm finding peace. I'm finding my sight. Sweat drips down, smile stays. Hard climbs lead to better days. Forest whispers ancient lines, stories older than all our time. I move slow, I move true, learning things I never knew. Every step teaches me grace, patience written in every pace. Mountains don't hurry at all, still they stand, still they call. Morning on the mountain high, clouds are drifting softly by. No need to ask, no need to try. Just live the moment passing by. Morning on the mountain free. Nothing here but air and me. If the world waits, let it wait. I'm right on time with my faith. Halfway up, I take a rest. Hands on knees, heart in my chest. Looking back where I've been, every climb shows where I stand. Down below, life looks small. Bills, worries, rise and fall. Up here, none of that stays. Just open skies and quiet praise.
Ayun. Kaloy. Pan para kaloy. Ah, kaloy.
Rise again like the trail I twist and bend.
Sige mo pan.
No straight road to
Ada liberiran namot asa ni pisa ho. Sige tanang.
trust. The higher ground.
Hindi kay ko na palibot.
If I'm tired, I still go on. Mountains
Yee.
teach me to be
Ay,
strong.
buta.
Not by force, not by fight, but by
Wait.
choosing what feels right. Morning on the mountain high,
Banana.
sun now burning in the sky. Every struggle, every climb
Isa pa.
feels worth it
Wait.
every time. Morning on the mountain clear,
Ngayon.
my doubts just
Walang tao.
disappear. If this peace could ever stay, like forever, day by day. Some mornings change you, not by noise, but by quiet, not by speed, but by stillness. This trail reminds me that I don't need much, just breathe, ground, and a little light. Freedom's such a simple thing. Arms spread wide, eyes open clear. This is the moment I hold dear. Every climb has left its mark, from early dawn to daylight spark. I didn't race, I didn't chase, I earned this view, I earned this space. Morning on the mountain tall, I hear my spirit clearly call. No more running, no more why, just open earth and endless sky. Morning on the mountain true,
Tawag daw yung nagtagaytay.
with this
Oo.
view.
Bigasan.
When the world feels heavy someday, I'll remember this
Tagaytay siguro.
climb this way.
Saan kayo?
Last line. Morning on the mountain.
Ah! Nice view eh. Pagka nabot. Eh? Tagaytay or Sibuyasan. Tawag nyo nga dali. Tagaytay daw. Or Sibuyasan. More eh. Hindi. Perfect ka. Ando to sa dito eh. Hagdang Sibuyasan. Ara daming balay daw ng plano. Ya. sibuyas ah. Tangad. Sibuyas. Cheers sa dire. Kuha na. Abtan ko kuha. Kuha mo sila ito. Silingaman. Kani dari kay maisan. Manapnig sanggi. Meron. Ano ba siya dahil eh? Ano yung system? Ang batang. At ito kung isa pa. Naririgaro doon. Wala ka lang. Hint. Kaya mo ay. Maganda daghan. Right. Hindi ka manaog. Ang bilis sa gusto. Bilisan na. Consider. Kuan daw ilang fertilizer terus batu. Coba nak organik. Apa yan? Apa yan? Nasa view eh. Ara dyan kami balay sa ano. Plano. 360 sa view eh. Nangyari ba rin tabayan.
Morning comes slow on
Asa
the
ko tayo? Iuwan na.
mountain trail. Sky still quiet, stars still pale. Breathing deep, tying my shoes. Another climb, nothing to lose. First step taken before the sun. Coldest is the day's begun. Dew on leaves, earth so still.
Balik na dari pohon.
Every
Bisa dari
silence
kampingan akan ang
starts
tabayan
to
sa
heal.
sunset.
Backpack light, heart feels strong.
Amo rin kita
No rush here, I take
tagaytay.
it long. Every stone beneath my feet
Gusto ko ano maron kay.
feels like home, feels complete. No traffic sound, no buzzing phone. Just me and the path I walk alone. If peace had a shape and view, it looked like this morning here. Morning on the mountain high, watching darkness say goodbye.
ba? Ito ba na? Ano ito ba?
Trail goes up,
Una ko lang.
legs feel
Asa pa
tight,
una. Asa pa unahe.
but the view keeps pulling my side. Sweat drips down, smile stays. Hard climbs lead to better days. Forest whispers the ancient lies. Stories older than all our time. I move slow, I move true, learning things I never knew. Every step teaches me grace. Patience written in every pace. Mountains don't hurry at all. Still they stand, still they call. Morning on the mountain high. Clouds are drifting softly by. No need to ask, no need to try. Just live the moment passing by. Morning on the mountain free. Nothing here but air and me. If the world waits, let it wait. I'm right on time with my faith. Halfway up, I take a rest. Hands on knees, heart in my chest. Looking back where I've been, every climb shows where I stand. Down below, life looks small.
Sip!
Bills, worries rise and fall. Up here, none of that stays. Just open skies and quiet praise. If I fall, I rise again.
Ganyan pala guys. Oh, maganda siya.
Like the trail I twist and bend. No straight road to where I'm bound, but I trust the higher ground. If I'm tired, I still go on. Mountains teach me to be strong.
Somebody.
Not by force, not by fight, but by choosing what feels right. Morning on the mountain high, sun now burning in the sky. Every struggle, every climb feels worth it every time. Morning on the mountain clear, all my doubts just disappear. If this peace could ever stay, I'd hike forever, day by day. Some mornings change you, not by noise but by quiet, not by speed but by stillness. This trail reminds me that I don't need much. Just breathe ground and a little light. Near the peak, wind starts to sing. Freedom's such a simple thing. Arms spread wide, eyes open clear. This is the moment I hold dear. Every climb has left its mark. From early dawn to daylight spark. I didn't race, I didn't chase. I earned this view, I earned this space. Morning on the mountain top, I hear my spirit clearly call. No more
Oh, tudloan ko ni Kuan ay. Jason ug ni Joseph. Ayos pa tayo? Nindot sa day dito? Nindot sad. Nagkakaisbuyas.
Last line. I'm right where I'm meant to be.
Yee. Shush. Ang ganihan. Ang ganihan mo ah.
Sa bukid nga hilom,
Aray lang ang darihagi.
layo sa kasamok. Hangin nga presko, maghapuhap sa lawas mo pahumok. Adlaw mo subang, ang mga damgo mo kilay. Binhi sa kabuntagon, akong kalma masikat. Kay diri sa bukid, hayahayang huna-huna. Kasi ka sa palibot, kul ba mawala, dayon ba? Mga mag-uma,
Dryer,
nagpadayon
supras.
sa ilang
Dryer,
dalan.
supras.
Kinabuhi nga yan o, pero bililhon kayo tan-awon. Tuburan na
Ikaw?
gawas, murag mo sayaw nga tingog. Mga uwak ug mga langgam, maoy kabaylo sa buslog. Traktora ug kariton, musikang pang-adlaw. Apan lamig
Mango.
hapon, paminawon bisan kapoy ang pawis lawlaw. Diri sa bukid, hayahayang huna-huna. Kasi ka sa palibot, kul ba mawala, dayon ba? Mga mag-uma,
Ah, tayo Roger na eh. Ah,
nabuhi nga yan o, pero pilihon kung magsaka ka sa bato, nagtaw sa palibot mo lapad, makita ni mo ang kalinaw nga dugay na kung gipangandoy masapay.
turnian to ko sa luyo anak
Sa
sapa.
syudad, diri ko mas kahayahay. Kay sa bukid nga malinawon akong kasing-kasing mo kahuay.
Tibon pa lang.
Sa bukid nga yuta, akong kalipay. Moturok, presko nga hangin. Akong
Bungot, tagnaong ni mo lagi.
Bulog, mga mag-uma, pinalangga sa adlaw. Kinabuhi sa bukid, lami kaayoy dalaw. Kay diri sa bukid, hayahayang huna-huna. Kasi ka sa palibot, kul ba mawala, dayon ba? Mga mag-uma, nagpadayon sa ilang dalan. Kinabuhi nga yan o, pero bililhon kayo tan-awon.
Ang ganihan. Yeesh. Andong magdaripita sa. Uy, diba na ko ka mama?
There's a road I've walked on 1,000 times. Dust on my boots, but this heart feels fine.
Gusto kayo tayo. Dito
Every
sa
mile
sapa
got your
bikas ba?
memories sewn in the quiet
What?
spaces. I'm not alone.
Ah,
Sunset gold on an old dirt road. Every step whispers you're close to home. 'Cause home ain't just a house of stone. It's a warm, soft voice when I'm all alone. It's a tired heart finally finding rest. It's a hand on my back when I'm feeling
Left.
less. It's a
Right.
feeling, a fire, a name I've known. Yeah, home is you, where my soul feels whole. I've chased the lights of a restless town, high hopes up but my feet fell down. Every wind felt empty somehow, till your simple love showed me how to breathe in slow, let the wild winds roam. Every broken dream led me back home. 'Cause home ain't just a house of stone, it's a warm, soft voice when I'm all alone. It's a tired heart finally finding rest. It's a hand on my back when I'm feeling less. It's a feeling, a fire, a name I've known. Yeah, home is you, where my soul feels whole. Through stormy nights and open skies, through all my fears and all my tries, when the world gets cold and the road feels long, you're the quiet place where my heart belongs. There's coffee cooling on a wooden table, old screen door and a light left stable. Every little sound feels like a song. The kind of peace I waited for so long. No gold, no crown, just love well worn. In your arms is where I was born again, home. 'Cause home ain't just a house of stone, it's a warm, soft voice when I'm all alone. It's a tired heart finally finding a rest. It's a hand on my back when I'm feeling less. It's a feeling, a fire, a truth I've known. Yeah, home is love, and I'm finally home. If I lose my way in the great unknown, I'll follow your light, it leads me